Oh, look at that. More leaves. Just when you thought it was finished, we get more leaves. And this tree still hasn't really dropped all of them yet. As you can see, it looks pretty good out there. A few stragglers like this one here. It's not too bad till we get up here though. And you can see I got more leaves on some of these trees here. And then I have a lot of leaves on the ground that need to be picked up. And we have multiple ways of doing that. Look at all that. They get caught in the ground covers and all that other good stuff. Hey everybody, Mike Chipperini of Chipper's Island Adventures, and today I get to pick up leaves. It's been raining and stuff like that, so it hasn't been really great weather to clean up the yard. So that's what I'm going to do today. And this has been an ongoing affair because, you know, it's fall here in New England. We got Thanksgiving coming up this weekend, or this week. And it's just the nature of the beast. If you have trees that are deciduous, which means the leaves come down, then you're gonna have leaves on the ground. So I need to get started here and pick it all up. And first thing I'm gonna do is blow it all out of the gardens while I go ahead and run my mower and let it warm up, because my lawnmower does not like the cold, I'll tell you that. shabby. Problem is, it's a little breezy, so I'll just have to get some of these other leaves later. And now, to just sit for a minute. Beautiful day here towards the end of November. But the other night was down to 29 degrees. Now I know some parts of the country have been colder than that, but we haven't yet. So that was a new low for the year, I believe, as far as, you know, post-summer. But I think what I'll do now, you know, believe it or not, I know this video is only a few minutes long, but I've been out here for a couple hours doing this. I'm not going to film every little thing I do. And I just wanted to show you what I tend to do on a daily basis. And this is one of the things I tend to do. And it's a cycle. No sooner do you get finished with the leaves after they finally all fall, and then it starts snowing. And now you're doing cleanup from snow. And I have a fairly large driveway, so, you know, it's a lot of work. But I'm not complaining, I'm just stating a fact. I still go to the gym, do my thing up there, and stay in shape for all of this. Advantage over there, collecting solar energy from the sun, trickle charging that battery, which I am keeping an eye on, by the way, because I'm wondering if my battery is a little bit compromised. That is a 21 chassis, and that battery is probably 4 years old. And not that that's, you know, there's about a 5-year lifespan on a battery, give or take. And this one here, I think, has been particularly abused when you consider that it probably sat on multiple lots before I purchased it, doing nothing but draining down the battery. And you know what would happen is, like, if I express interest in buying that rig, which I did, then they would go to start the engine and find out the battery was discharged, and that's not good for any battery. And then they go ahead and recharge it, and it would run fine because they keep it going. And it has run fine for me, with the exception of, since I took it to the generator repair place, where it sat in their lot for about a month. And that's a long time, and I'm thinking they probably went out there and had to charge the battery or jump start it or whatever, in order to move it from the lot back into the garage once the generator came in and they were ready to install it. I'm thinking my battery got a little compromised between that and everything else. So we'll see. I may have to get a new battery at some point. I'm keeping an eye on it. I checked it last night. The voltage level was 12.1, which isn't too bad, and I'm going to check it going in the house right now and see what the voltage is now, because the sun is out. And I'll guarantee the voltage is probably about 12.4 now that the sun has hit that solar panel. But I'll find out. Let's see what we have. Look at that, 13.1 on the chassis battery. Pretty good. My solar panel trickle charger works great. And I believe, if I haven't mentioned this before, I believe one of the phantom draws on the ProMaster battery is, in fact, one, the stereo system is always a little bit of a draw, but also the generator on board the Travato. That generator has on the switch, it has a little LED light to let you know that the unit is getting power. And I'll bet that LED light is just enough to suck it down over the matter of a couple weeks or 3 or 4 weeks or whatever. I could be wrong, I don't know, in theory. Anywho, if you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. All the best to all, and happy leaf cleaning.